Hello viewers, let's take a look at this question. We are asked to find the number of unpaired electrons in this element. This element is simply, we have 1s2, 2s2 and 2p what? 2p2. So you count the number of electrons. We have what? Total is what? 6, and 6 is equals to what? 6 is equals to what? Carbon. Carbon has 6 electrons. Okay. Now we are asked to find the unpaired electron. Now we look at how many orbitals are there. We have the s orbital and the p orbital. The s orbital and the what? And the p orbital. The s orbital has a total number of 2 electrons, can occupy a maximum of 2 electrons, while the p orbital can occupy the total number of what? 6 electrons. If you look at here, the s orbital here that is next to this p orbital is already filled. Look at the s orbital here is filled, the s orbital here is filled. Now we are not left with the what? The p orbital. Do you get that? Now in the p orbital, now remember how many unpaired? P is supposed to carry what? 6 electrons, but here we don't have only have 2. Okay, we have 2 in this one. Just remember, unpaired means how many electrons are there to complete the orbital. Now p here has 3 2p orbital. We have 2p y x, 2p y, and 2p z, and each of this one is supposed to have 2 orbital that 2 electrons that is supposed to occupy in it. We have what we call spin up, spin down. Do you get that? So each of this one is supposed to have 2 electrons occupy in it. Now according to Horn's rule, that electrons are supposed to be filled separately in orbital first before pairing can take place. Now we have 2 here, only 2 is given here. Okay, only 2 is given here, and we cannot write 1 here, 1 here. It is wrong. So what we do is that we have since it is 2, we have 1 here, we have spin up, spin up. So 1 is now left. You get that there are 2 p here. Okay, so 1 will occupy this one, 1 will occupy this one. Therefore we have 2p x will be equals to 1, 2p y will be equals to what? 1, and 2p z will be equals to what? 0, because nothing is here. So this one, how many are left to fill this one? Is what? 1. How many are left to fill this one? Is what? 1. We are only looking at the one that is left to fill. This one is nothing, so we are not considering this one. So how many electrons are left to fill this one? We have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So there are 2 unpaired electrons. 2 unpaired electron. So our correct answer is what? Option